Hi, everyone. It's Kimber, the Study Abroad Specialist. I am so excited to be with you today to announce the launch of a new mini series that I have called Learn How to Study Abroad in America. And so it is a mini series that was based on Learn How to Study Abroad in 30 Days. If you have not checked out that series, I will link that above. It has become really popular here on the channel. But with this series, I want to create something for international students specifically, because I get this question a lot. They may have gone through the Learn How to Study Abroad in 30 Days series, or they may have worked with me personally and they're like, how do I actually do different things in America? And I think part of the reason is because compared to other countries, we have so much going on with our college application. So first of all, we have so many colleges and universities here in the United States compared to other countries. There are different processes for each of them, and there are different touch points that you might need. So over the course of the next 2 weeks, starting on Monday, we are going to be covering a lot of different things. So we are going to be talking about the different types of colleges and universities. I want to just be able to start there so that you understand the different types and what those mean. We'll then walk through the application process, standard based, of what you might be finding as you go through the different application portals. We're going to be talking about financial aid as an international student. We're going to be talking about standardized testing. We're going to be talking about student visas. So all the things that you might need to become an international student studying in the United States. So whether you are coming from a country and you're interested in becoming an undergrad student here in the US, or a graduate student, or just doing a short exchange program, there's something great for you. If you are an American student and you still want to watch, I am definitely welcome you to that, because there may be new things that you learn as well. But this is specifically for international students who want to come here to the USA. I am so excited that you are going to be part of this journey, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday for day one of the series. See you soon.